How old are you? I'm 18 years old. I'm 19 years old. I'm 20 years old. I'm 21 years old. I'm 22 years old. I'm 23 years old. I'm 24 years old. I'm 25 years old. I'm 26 years old. I'm 27 years old. I'm 28 years old. I'm 29 years old. So you're 18 years old, aren't you? So you're 19 years old, aren't you? So you're 20 years old, aren't you? So you're 21 years old, aren't you? So you're 22 years old, aren't you? So you're 23 years old, aren't you? So you're 24 years old, aren't you? So you're 25 years old, aren't you? So you're 26 years old, aren't you? So you're 27 years old, aren't you? So you're 28 years old, aren't you? So you're 29 years old, aren't you? May I have your phone number? So your phone number is, isn't it? Where do you come from? How long have you been here? Do you miss your family?